Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Jio AI Classroom with your Jio ID. Make sure two-step authentication is complete. Once done, choose a compatible device. Desktop or tablet works best, and connect a headset for clarity. Grant the mic, camera, and storage permissions when prompted, because the platform needs them to record lessons and save files. Next, select or create a class from the dashboard and pick a time zone. This prevents scheduling errors and ensures students see correct session times. You now configure the classroom. Enter a clear title, grade level, and schedule so students know expectations. Upload your syllabus and lesson files, PDF, PPT, videos, and set viewing or editing permissions. This controls who can change content. Next, enable the AI features. Turn on the assistant for live notes, auto-quiz generation, and grading helpers because they save time and keep feedback consistent. Make sure to link any external storage or LMS integrations now. Before you deliver lessons by starting live sessions and using the AI assistant to highlight key points and generate real-time summaries. Record the session so absent students can catch up. Once lessons finish, create quizzes with the auto-quiz tool and use AI feedback to draft personalized comments. Export grades as a CSV for your records. If something breaks, first clear the browser cache or update the app. If that fails, recheck permissions and re-invite a student, because most access problems are permission-related.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.